So I haven't made too many movies lately, but that's because this little fella's been taking up all my time, haven't you? But today I was going to make a ruler so we can start to track your height. So I'm going to use this piece of off-cut ironbark as the ruler or height chart. So this is where the height chart's going to go. I'm going to set it up on the trim there. So I need to mark where 10 centimeters is. So on the back of the height chart, using that reference mark that I just put on, I went along and marked all the centimeters and 10 centimeters along its full length, all the way up to 195 centimeters. So I've got my crosscut sled all set up and a fence or a stop to stop the crosscut sled. So now I'm just going to use the blade to just score all of the 10 centimeter marks on my height scale. So this is looking pretty good, but I'm going to colour in the notches using a texter. I had a bit of a play. This end does a bit too much bleeding. By bleeding I mean, if you can see how much the ink is sort of run on that one, whereas this one here that's nice and sharp, I did it with that end. So I'm going to colour in all these notches with that.